Okay guys, this is FX Mesh here, smashing it. What is going on, guys? Now guys, I want to show you something very important on GBPUSD, and this thing I want to show you is based on simple break and retest strategy. What is simple break and retest strategy? Let's assume we have a key level already marked out. Now take this, for instance, this bar here, this green bar here, as a key level, right? And we are looking at an opportunity on a buy trend. Now this is how it works. Price breaks past, we allow price to break past a key level, come back to retest that level, then begin to give me more candlesticks in the direction of that trend. So in this manner, then you can take a buy from here around this area up to a certain level. Now same for a sell. Price breaks past the level, pushing to the downside, then comes back to retest it, the same level, and start pushing and giving me candlestick in the direction of the trend, of the sell trend, right? Okay, now this is the concept. This is the concept of what I'm trying to explain here. Now in the same thing in the real chart, look at what's going on. First of all, what I've done is to mark key levels. First of all, mark the key levels. I mark this level and it as a thin line. I just decided to use a thin line, black thin line, and also my that's my resistance key level, major level, and also my support major level. Now I also marked a level in between this, my support and my resistance and support level, which is this fat gray line here, which it was defined because price has reacted here, here. So for me to mark a level, to identify a level, price must have reacted on that particular area multiple times, which you can see from here, like so, here, like so, here, like so, here, like so, here. Okay, and that applies to here and here, here, here. But I won't be going. I don't want to mark. I don't want to make too many shapes on my chart. I like a clean chart as much as possible. Now if you look at this break and retest I just explained here on the chart here, you can see that price has, if you consider this particular trend, this trend here, you see that price has pushed clearly to the downside. But during the process of pushing clearly to the downside, it did some break and retest along the way, and we'll see that when we step down to a lower time frame. Now price has pushed to the downside, came back, bounced off here, and is now demonstrating a reversal. And if you look closely, you see that there are two candlesticks having wicks each, here and here. I can easily see there can become a kind of a push to the downside, then a pull back, right? Then a push to the downside here like this, right? Now this area is a structure. What price has done here is to retest this level here, which I will draw as a box here, something like this. Price has done that with a week. It has tested this level on a monthly time frame. Monthly time frame means each candlestick here represents 1 month. This month, this particular candlestick, this last candlestick is September. We are in September 19th. Okay, September 19th. So far this is the whole of September. This is August, this is July, this is June, just like that, backwards like that. So you can see that price has actually, GBPUSD on the monthly time frame, has obeyed this particular principle, but in a sell, this particular one, because this is a sell bias setup. So this is what is happening here. So price has broken with a strong momentum, come back to retest one of these levels, this key structure here, and look at what it's doing. It's pushing to the downside. The same thing, pull back, the push to the downside, a pull back, and this point is representing this point, which is what I can as well mark as a circle here. Okay, now my my bias here is a sell. So I want to confirm this using a Fibonacci retracement tool, which you have here already. You drag, you from this point, this high, this swing high to this swing low. You're going to draw the free tools and you take it down like this. Okay, then because this area is my area of this place I've circled, this point I've circled, I want to see what it represents on this particular on this scale. So what I'll do is to extend my frib further, and you can see that once what I'm looking for in the frib is that once price begin to reverse at a certain level, which is what you can see now at it begin to reverse at 0.618, which is a very golden region. It's a very important region, and you can see the next candlestick representing September pushing to the downside. Most likely my bias will now be a sell, meaning that I expect price to push downwards to the downside. So in this, on this note, I will keep sell as my bias. Okay, sell is going to become my bias. So I have sell as my bias. Sell bias. Okay, bias. Okay, sell bias. Now sell is my bias. I will now step down to lower time frames, like it kind of like a 4 hours time frame, to see what I can do, looking for selling opportunities. And what I've done is that I have identified that price is pushing to the downside. What I've done is to take a sell opportunity here. Now before I take a sell opportunity here, I need to zoom closer on the 4 hours time frame. Remember, I was on the monthly time frame. Now I'm on the 4 hours time frame. Now I have also, I also want to highlight here that on a monthly, I've drawn 18 blue line here. Look at it, 18 blue line here to indicate my point of take profit. So I'll go back to a 4 hours time frame, and you can see the thin blue line here as well. So I'm trying to find opportunities on the 4 hours time frame. Now you see I'm on the 4 hours time frame now. If I'm expecting price to push to the downside. Now before price got here, look at what price did. Price pushed down, came back to retest this level, this yellow zone. And remember, I said that once you want to if you want to identify a key level, you have to mark areas of where price has actually reacted multiple times. And you can see price has reacted here multiple times, here, here, here. So that's why I drew this yellow line here. Okay, so now price has broken past the level. I came back to retest it and pushed to the downside. This is the directional candlestick, sell candlestick. Now look at what price is doing. Price is now consolidating around this area. After this consolidation, once it breaks past this consolidation, of which I believe is going to then it's going to push down into profit. And this is where I put my target. My target is on this blue line. So we're going to watch this particular trade and see how it develops. FX Mesh here, smashing it. Peace out.